Here's another example in much the same spirit. Integrate the square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared over region W. X, y, z is given by x squared plus y squared plus z squared is less than or equal to 4. So that's rho squared is less than or equal to 4. Y is non-negative, z is non-positive. Okay, what are, we want to start off by thinking of what are our bounds on theta and phi and rho. Okay, so rho here, this is the only bound that's going to concern rho. Rho squared is less than or equal to 4. That tells us rho is between 0 and 2. So this is the region inside the sphere of radius 2. It's going to be a quarter of the sphere based off of these bounds on y and z. And so the fact here that z is negative, so we're below the axis, we're below the xy plane. So that's going to be when phi is running from pi over 2 to pi. We can get that from the picture, or we've done this kind of thing in previous videos. Z is rho cosine phi, so rho cosine phi is less than or equal to 0. Rho won't be negative. When is cosine phi less than or equal to 0? When phi is between pi over 2 and pi. Okay, and so now we want y to be positive. So that is on this side of things. And in the xy plane, it's this region right here is y is positive, and that's theta is running from 0 to pi. So, almost ready to go. One last thing. What does our integrand change to? That's just rho. This is just rho. So, our integral is theta runs from 0 to pi, phi runs from pi over 2 to pi, rho runs from 0 to 2 of rho times, don't forget to throw in rho squared sine phi, d rho d phi d theta. Okay, so theta runs from 0 to pi d theta. Phi runs from pi over 2 to pi of sine phi d phi. And rho runs from 0 to 2 of rho cubed d rho. So this first integral, that's just going to be pi. This integral will be negative cosine of phi from pi over 2 to pi. This one will be rho to the 4th over 4. Plug in 0 to 2. So that's pi. That is 16 over 4. And this one is going to be 1 minus 0. So that looks like 4 pi. Okay, so let's wrap up this video here. In the next, we'll do more complicated examples. We've done a couple of straightforward examples. We'll do more complicated examples in the next couple of videos. Let's end it here with this pre-class problem. So use spherical coordinates, integrate fx, y, z as y over this region. X squared plus y squared plus z squared is less than or equal to 1. And x, y, and z are all negative.